In this video, we'll be looking at simple time signatures. And once you've watched this video, you will be able to identify simple time signatures and to describe the type and number of beats in 4/4, common, 2/4, cut common, and 2/2 time. So just to recap, there are two numbers in time signatures. The top number tells us how many beats are in a bar, and the bottom number tells us what type of beats they are. And simple time means that the beats can be split into two, and it uses 2, 3, and 4 most commonly in the top number. So we'll start off with 4/4, which is probably the most common time signature, and it can also be written as C, which is called common or common time. In 4/4, the top number tells us that there are 4 beats, and the bottom number tells us that these beats are crotchet beats. Next, 3/4, which is also called waltz time, and this time signature is commonly mistaken for a compound rather than simple time signature because it has 3 in the name. However, it is simple time because beats are crotchet beats rather than dotted crotchets. While this may seem confusing now, once you understand compound time, it will make more sense. So in 3/4, the top number tells us there are 3 beats, and the bottom number tells us that these beats are crotchet beats. So there are 3 crotchet beats per bar. Next, 2/4. The 2 tells us that there are 2 beats per bar, and the 4 tells us that these beats are crotchet beats. So there are 2 crotchet beats per bar. Finally, 2/2, which can also be written as a C with a vertical slash running through it, and is called cut common or cut common time. And the numbers in this time signature tells us that there are 2 minim beats per bar, because the bottom number 2 denotes a minim beat. So now double check that you can identify simple time signatures and describe the type and number of beats in 4/4, common, 2/4, cut common, and 2/2 time.